Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a great song called Gimme Some Water. It was written and performed by the late great Eddie Money. Now, even though Gimme Some Water was not an official release from Eddie Money's 1979 album Life for the Taking, over the years it's become a fan favorite. And if you ever saw him play live, you know he always played this song. It's certainly one of my favorite Eddie Money songs, and the best part, it's very, very easy to play. So, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, you might actually like my original music that can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Just look up Troy Hawes and you'll find me. So, we're going to look at the chords first, then we're going to perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So, if you want to learn a great Eddie Money song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, let's have a closer look at the chords that you're going to need to know to get all the way through this great Eddie Money song. Just a quick note, I actually perform this song with a capo on the first fret. Keep that in mind if you want to play along with me. Okay, so let's get to these chords. There are only 3 of them, and they're all very, very easy standard chords. Let's have a look now. First one is an A major. You're going to need to know a G chord. And lastly, you're going to need to know a D. That's it. Those 3 chords will get you all the way through this song. Let's get to the cover.
Mama never understood what it's like for a losing man. When the #1 son goes bad, playing cards with the devil's hand. Daddy got so sick real quick, 4 walls never understand. I'm the one that got good, but the gun took the money from a rich man's land. Give me some water. Shot a man on a Mexican border. Cool, cool water. Up so fast, he met me in the past one day. He said, you're a wanted man, take your brother's hand. Now I'm running with you anyway. So we rode late in the night, fires in the desert sand. Till one day the posse called us, sheriff always gets his man. Give me some water. Shot a man on the Mexican border. Cool, cool water. I just can't lose my hand. Run just as fast as my legs can. Lord, I've got nowhere to run. I shouldn't have done what I did with that big gun. Give me some water. Shot a man on a Mexican border. Cool, cool water. Can't you see that long white rope hanging from a hangman's tree? Take a restless horse till my hands are coarse. Tell my mama that I'm finally free. Let me die like a man no one understands. Let me pray like a poor man prays. Slap that horse in the ass, and with my last dying gasp, my brother could hear me say, give me some water. Shot a man on a Mexican border. Cuckoo water. Give me some water. Killed a man on a Mexican border. Cuckoo water.
All right, let's get to the chord progression. The best part about this particular song is that the verses and the choruses are played the exact same way. In fact, the only real change in this particular song comes from the bridge. It uses the same three chords, but in a slightly different pattern. We're going to have a closer look at the bridge in just a couple of minutes. For now, let's get to the verses and the choruses. The song basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. Mama never understood what it's like for a losing man. When the number one son goes bad, playing cards with the devil's hand. Daddy got so sick real quick, four walls never understand. I'm the one that got good with the gun, took the money from a rich man's land. Give me some water. Shot a man on a Mexican border. Cuckoo water. And that's it. That chord progression basically repeats itself over and over again through the majority of the song, with the exception of the bridge. Let's have a closer look at the bridge now. All right, the bridge. Unlike the verse in the chorus, the bridge starts on the D chord. Here we go. Oh gee, if I just get loose my hands, I'd run just as fast as my legs can. Lord, I've got nowhere to run. Shouldn't have done what I did with that big gun. And then if you were playing in a band, it would lead right into the lead guitar solo. That's it. Very, very simple and very easy to play, even for the bridge. There you have it. Gimme Some Water, written and performed by the late, great Eddie Money. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you do like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.